Hello students, today we are going to learn our civics lesson number 1, our life in societies textbook exercise. Now see the question number 1, fill in the blanks. First one, man felt the need for dash for the day-to-day affairs of society to run smoothly. And answer is which one? Rules. Man felt the need for rules for the day-to-day affairs of society to run smoothly. Second one is dash helps the development of people's talents. And the answer is society. Society helps the development of people's talents. Third, fill in the blanks is which one? C. We all have some emotional and some dash needs too. And the answer is psychological needs. We all have some emotional and some psychological needs too. Now see the question number 2. Answer in one sentence. First question is, which are our basic needs? And the answer is food, clothing, shelter, health and education are our basic needs. Second question is, whose company do we like? We like company of our family members, relatives and friends. Third question is, what opportunities does society provide us with? Society provides us opportunities to develop our thinking and emotional capabilities and express our thoughts and emotion and develop our artistic skills. Now see the question number 3. What do you think? Answer in 2 or 3 sentences. How is society formed? See, man requires security and stability. When man realized that he can have security by living together with others, he started living an organized life. Man realized that for orderly conduct of the affairs of the society, there was need for rules and regulations. So, society came into existence for the attainment of certain common objectives. Now see the second question. Why is it necessary to set up a permanent system in society? Because it is necessary to set up permanent system in society to fulfill the basic needs of the people. Second one, the very existence of the society depends on setting a permanent system. Some permanent systems are also necessary for the stable society life. Now see the question number 3. What makes life in society more stable and organized? And the answer is fulfillment of the basic needs of food, clothing and shelter. Then second one, arrangement for security. Third one, opportunities made available to the individuals to develop their inherent skill and capabilities. Fourth one, regulation in the form of custom, tradition, norms and laws. Now see the fourth question. If there were no social institution, what difficulties would we have faced? We would have faced the different difficulties, such as that man would have remained in the nomadic stage, wandering from place to place in search of food. Second one, law of the jungle would have prevailed in the absence of rules and regulatory authority. Then emotional and psychological and physical needs of man would not have been satisfied, and development of personality would not have taken place. Now fourth question is, see, what would you do in the following situation? It is personal response. See, first situation is which one given? Your friend has forgotten to bring something they need in school. Then what you should do? Now if my friend is doing like that, then I will ask her not to worry, as he or she can learn lesson from my textbook. Then second one, I will advise him or her not to repeat the same mistake, as our teachers may notice that he or she has not brought the textbook and will punish him or her for the same. Second situation is which one? You meet a blind or otherwise handicapped person on the way, means on road. Then what should you do? I will help him or her to cross the roads. Or second one is which one? That I will inquire he or she where he wants to go and try to accompany him or her to that place. Now you should write this exercise in your notebook. Thank you.